Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Anjelika Kitchen Lab. We're almost at the Thanksgiving time and everybody pretty much knows how to make turkey, pumpkin pie and pecan pie. But how about this year you surprise your guests with something different? I'm talking about elegant, beautiful, delicious pumpkin torte. And saying torte, it means it's absolutely different from pie or cake. So let's start. I need a lot of ingredients, so I will tell you as we go. So we'll start to making a cake part itself. So we combine flour, baking powder, and salt. We combine eggs, sugar, butter. Now we beat all of it together on a medium speed until all flush. Now we add flour, baking powder, and milk to our mixture. Now we add a little bit vanilla in our cake batter and just combine together until thoroughly mixed. All right, it's well combined. So our mixture well combined. I'm gonna add 2 spoons of pumpkin puree and mix it all together. Add it cake batter into equal parts and we'll go to oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 40-45 minutes. Now we prepare our cream. So we need cream cheese, pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice, sugar powder, Grand Marnier liquor, okay, so our cream mixed together, and now we're gonna carefully fold whipped cream. Looks beautiful. I like the color and consistency. Just gorgeous. Wow, look at that. Looks amazing. All right, just one more. Pot. Like 45 minutes later, we have 2 beautiful cakes. I'm gonna give him 10 minutes to cool down and we'll start putting together our pumpkin torte. Our cakes cool down and now it's time to cut them in half and put this all together. Now we're ready to assemble our cake together. First layer here, we spread the cream. Looks beautiful. And we collect next layer. Here it is. Your beautiful pumpkin Thanksgiving torte is ready. You can surprise your guest. I hope they will like it.